Okay, so here we go. We've got this area through here, and we're really fishing this area. We're going to come out to this point through here, and lob out. As you can see, the area is pretty rough, and I've been looking at the swell and how it's coming in through here, and it's really charging up. I've got my life jacket on, and I haven't got my cleats on the shed. I'll put those on. It's pretty steady through here, and bait up. Again, it's getting a little bit rougher, so this is what I mean. Things can change in the course of, say, 10-15 minutes, and you look at it and you've got this big one coming through here. So if you see that big one coming through here, you don't stay here, you retreat back. So you retreat back into this way through here, right? Because it's not a good look. Again, from the water coming up, comes across, all very safe. Again, not a bad area. Moon Rock, as you can see, for what we're looking at together, not a bad area. I do like that wash over there, so that's pretty good there as well. I think if I land a fish, I can actually bring him up onto this platform and pull him up across.